Slow it down to a cruise, you can see it more, and then I'll show you like the. If I look down, you can see what we're attached to. Watch your head, Ren. Maneuvers. Sorry, I'm not talking because it's windy. I'm trying not to crash, and I'm also trying to figure out the capabilities with the X-wing on here. I'd say. Sorry, but yes, I'm not talking much. Disregard everything I'm doing. Let's see the angles. Whoa, there you go. There you go. Lateral movement is a little slower. Whoa, okay. Still looks pretty sweet with the freaking X-wing. Alright, jeez. When I slow it down, you can see more, you see? When I slow it down to a cruise, you can see it more, and then I'll show you like the. If I look down, you can see what we're attached to. Alright. There you go, let's try it. You can see a little R2-D2. R2! R2! Alright. Anyways, the landing part's a little tricky. Last time I got real suspect 2 seconds ago. It was a good test. Whoa! And the left. Oh! Let's see. I didn't like that. Alright, now I know. I guess with the X-wing, since the geometry's off. Didn't like it. It's too heavy. I should try with the Jasmine. Anyways, that was a good test run. I think we got to work on the physics of it all. We will work on the physics of it all, and then yes. Till next time. Oh, your dog's here. Dog friend's here. All right. Anyways, that was an interesting test.